don't press the button number 2, and I'm playing with no one of my friends, but I wish my friends were playing so I could play with them, but they're not. Was that you, Nicole? Am I dying? Where's my jetpack? I mean, what are those things called? Where's my parachute? Oh, at least I didn't die. What the heck? That's a talkie bag. Talkie bag. Come and press the button for us. Oh my god, he does press the button. That's why he flew away. You die. Piggy, everyone is happy. Boo. Everyone has happy boots. Hoppy boots. Okay. I read that wrong the first time. I jump! I don't even jump that high. Why would I like those boots? Cannon. What the? Wah! Wait. Really? No, no, no. No, no, no. Ah! Oh, that guy is ready. He has the magic carpet. That's actually not fair. Smiley faces. Smiley faces. I mean, happy faces. Happy faces. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know how that goes. Whoa, my shoes are red. And my mask is red. That's actually cool. Sucker, sucker. Let me make the goal. Get off the map. Fall off the map. Thank you, sir. I'll do it. Ow. Ow. Isn't until we get out the map. Okay, I'll block the ball. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. The person just fell off for being a doofus. Huh? 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 How am I supposed? I'm not gonna make it. Oh my god, how are they already made it? I mean, there's a short race. I'm supposed to make it in time. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, I made it! My name! Oh my god. Did I make it? Get to the other side. What's happening to the bridge? Oh no. The bridge. My bridge! Oh no. Yeah, I wasn't able to make that jump. Oh my god. I'm just down here and not die. What the? That person just died. Dancing on there. On this red thing. Can I press the button? There's a talkie bag. Oh, look at these cute little puppies. Aww. Use. Okay. Wow. What? And I runs fast. I couldn't make it. How do you make it? Wee! Wee! Yeah! I feel like this is gonna pop and I'm gonna fall. Look, I knew it. Well, I played this before, that's why I know. Time remaining. Oh no, the little race thingy. This time I'm gonna try it. And if I don't win, who cares? Duh! Duh! Aw, man. I'm gonna do supersonic speed. Supersonic speed. It's crazy, Pack. Yeah, who cares? Supersonic speed. Supersonic speed. Yeah! I'm Sonic. I'm a Sonic that died. Aw, you can just cheat. Look. You can just cheat. Wait, how did he make it? How did that person make it? I don't get it. Again, I'm not doing that. Oh, wait, it's the same thing. I got confused. Okay, so what am I gonna do now? I know what I'm gonna do. Just dance on here. The lava's rising. What if I'm stuck? How am I gonna win? And how did I get up here? That's actually kind of cool. I'm gonna die. You guys are trying to kill me. Teammates, stop jumping on me. I'm gonna die. It's gonna touch my feet. Guys. I told you. Those guys are mean. You were just trying to kill me. Because I have Robux. I only have a little bit. I only have like 61. Don't ask on what I spent it on. Slash E dance. Enter. Bana bana bada bada. Oh, this is gonna be. Look, this is E. How did I die? You get the crown? That's not fair. Oh, cheaters. I don't want to play with that cheater. Just using his magic carpet for everything. It's so bright in here. I can't see. Huh? Oh my god. Get out the way. Get out of the bomb! I told you to get out the bomb. That wasn't my fault. I didn't know that was coming. I'm so tiny! Look at me, I'm the tiniest one here. I think the tiniest one here, it's like the one with the red hair. Yeah, it's the tiniest one. Look how tiny she is. I can't even run. When I'm tiny, I can't even run. I stop and I just slip to the other square. Woohoo! Ouch! Ouch! Ah! No! So, what am I gonna do now? Baldi! Yes! Baldi, he's not. Well, he's gonna get you. Who's gonna get me? I'm confused. Who's gonna get me if I stand here? A robber? Says I'm gonna get you. Oh my god, a person. I just saw the person that was gonna get you. Ow! Ah! Simon says, go to whatever color it is. Simon says green. Simon says yellow. Simon says blue. Red. Simon says blue. Yellow. When's it gonna be that color? That's not yellow. Oh. Simon says red. I'm the only one on this block. Yellow. Red. Blue. Oh man. How did I die? How did I die? Wait, how is he running on that? I mean, I'm looking good. Okay, what? Wait, what was that? That was just... Hey, it's party mode. It's disco mode. Woo! Wait, disco mode. I'm doing emote. Woo. Woo. Leaderboard. What? Can I do slash? E. Dance. Oh, I'm dancing in the earthquake. Dancing in the earthquake. Woo! I'm in the earthquake dancing. Oh wait, what? The earthquake's done. Really? That earthquake is done now? Huh? So this is gonna be it for today's video. See you guys next time. Bye!